my friends, let me introduce you to Peno. Yes, you got it right, P-E-N-O. And it's the short version of jalapeno, the chili. You might know it. You get them in the cinema when you order the nachos. He's almost 3 years old now and a really rare Shiba Inu pug mix. Don't get me wrong, but how Destiny wanted to happen? I found this little boy on eBay. Since then, we spend almost 24/7 together. Sometimes it can be scary if you face big dreams alone, especially if you want to build a car and you have no idea. But he believed in me when no one else did. So let's get started and see how his day looks like while we're living the van life. Every morning when he wakes up, we put on his little tick collar because he got some ticks already in the car sometimes. And he always has this little black leash with him because he likes to run away sometimes. And as a security, I have this little leash which is really super light and short, so I can step on it and catch him back. Then I put the collar on him as well because his dog tag is on it. In case he runs away, I have a little dog tag with my number on it. And then we go out. Where's that dog? This is pretty much his morning craziness when he had too much energy from sleeping and he just runs around like crazy and you see his curly tail go straight up and he will just make his circles till he's calm enough. But in that moment you cannot catch him at all. Look what you have done, Peno. The whole floor is full of sand. Was it you? Was it you? I have to buy some stuff. That's why I just drove to the closest mall that I could find. And I parked under this tree because that was the only parking that I could find in the shadow. So the car is in the shadow. And Peno's already sleepy because we ran a lot on the beach. So I left the window open a little bit over there. And of course the fan on top. He should be fine by now. It's gonna be really interesting because I don't know what Peno does when I'm not in the car. So I'm gonna have a little camera installed and see what he does. So let's go shopping. Hi, Pop. Okay. I just bought dog food. What I got, Peno? Look what I got for you. Is that your favorite? Sits. Because I have to leave you again, Peno. 9. Sits. 15. Check. Check. High five. Okay. I'll leave him alone again. See you in a bit, Peno. I don't even really know what I want to buy yet. I'm hungry. I just want to eat something. An orange juice.
Started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know, just what you're waiting for, and you should know.
Basically just walking around right now. Discover Cadiz together, the city. And then you go into those houses. And it just looks so nice. As you walk along the streets here in the center, you will find that the footpath is like just that narrow. It's like so tiny, only just like one person would fit in there. And whenever a car comes, you just have to really squeeze to the side. But normally everyone just walks on the street as well.
On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know.
I'm going to stay here, right? I'm gonna go in here. Normally, if it's in the shop and I have to buy something, I just leave him outside. People won't steal him because I go really fast. So I wanted to buy some water. Gracias.
Gracias.
Just waiting for me. Huh, boy? Why are you waiting for me here? There's one thing that no matter if I do van life or not, I have to do it. And this is like having good hair. I know it's so girly, but I really want to feel like going to the hairdresser because my roots are so dark. I just googled some hairdresser would be here. But yeah, I guess, I don't know, it's just me. Like, I just really like to have good hair, just to feel comfortable in my skin. So I'm searching for a hairdresser now.
On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you?
I just dyed my hair. I don't really know if I like the result because it was like such a cheap hairdresser. It cost me about $10, and I wanted to dye the roots a bit brighter, but it's just the same. And it's really funny to be here right now because Spain and Portugal are playing against another, and it's funny because I've been just in those two countries before, and everyone is just watching football right now because it's about the championship. At the moment it's 2 versus 2. I don't know who I'm for though. I don't really care. In Spain you have all those free water things, which is so good to just refill your water tanks for free. Like, so good. I don't even know where I parked. Should look it up.
On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you?
End up eating pizza. Penya's just here. Hi. Wait. Take away so he can be with me. I just have to wait for the pizza. Penya, are we going to share this pizza now? Batu. How's the pizza, mate? Made it back to the van. I parked here. I'm gonna move though because I don't want to stay here on the street for tonight. But there is a fountain and I want to refill my water tank. How much I miss it to make myself pretty and go out with my girls. Like, and I'm here having a water box. Yeah, I'm gonna fill it up with water now. And people are all thinking like, what is this girl doing? I'm so hopeful, so much. Oh my god, while everyone is like partying and celebrating, I'm just here refilling this spot. Found something better because this one wasn't working so well, so I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness. Hi baby. We are gonna drive now away from here because I don't want to park in this spot. And you know what happened? I don't know why I thought that. Like, I realized that now it's the World Cup, but for some reason I heard or I thought someone said it was the final today when Portugal and Spain played, but it wasn't. It was like the second game or so. And I was like in my Instagram story, I was like, oh my god, how can I miss the World Cup? How can this big event pass on me just because I live in a van? Shouldn't I supposed to? And the people messaged me, of course, and saying like, oh my god, it's not over yet, the World Cup just started, so out of the world. So yeah, we're gonna drive now somewhere away from here. I know you don't see it, but the stars are so bright. I found a spot now, pretty much. It's pretty dark here. It's pretty good. Hey, Penya. Let's open the light. Pretty cool. You come Essen. Come Essen, Penya. You had pizza, but you can have some more. Penya, come. We bought your new food because your old food is almost empty. Ethan, you're fine.
Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire.
Sometimes he makes friends that he is not used to see.